Here we have a Knaus Tourer van, and we fitted Motorhome Security. Now, this is based on a Transporter T6.1. You don't see a lot of these like this because it's actually a transporter van and they built a proper coach-built motorhome on the back of it. Normally you see it on the bigger platforms rather than this. So it's the first one we've seen anyway. This particular one is brand new, so it's not been out that long, and it didn't come with any security apart from remote central lock-in and an immobiliser, and that's it. So we added extra security on it to protect it, because these are not cheap, these are quite expensive, so I think that's quite important. The security, it still works with the factory remote, so you don't have to actually do anything to activate it or deactivate it. It just works as normal, not very complicated at all. Now, being an unusual motorhome, I thought you might want to have a look at it. And as you can see, it's not a massive motorhome. They've obviously got this coach built. You've still got a shower in there, still got a toilet in there, still got a really good sized bed and a little seating area. So I think it's everything you need anyway, if you're going away. So yeah, it's a really nice little van. So this is the Knaus Tourer van with added extra motorhome security.